So we are here, another afternoon walk with Team Laagan. So we just stumbled upon this place. It's in the middle of nowhere, so you can see it's just like trees and then.
Still in there.
Let's go, let's go.
There you lost it.
I don't know what to do. I'm still very young.
Just let go, it'll fly.
They're learning an old-fashioned sling.
Old fashioned.
What is it then? New fashion?
No. Like a biblical age weapon.
I get to ski.
Whoa! Good job.
I'm prone.
People used to hunt with these though. How?
Only one. How about you now? Come on. Oh, only one tuna.
Where do you find
So here, say hi to my channel.
Hi guys. Hi si Manang channel. Vlog.
Will,
Hi guys, subscribe mo sa akong channel.
what's the name of your channel?
Soon.
Kano niya? Premiere ni sa channel. Jado eh. Di ba makita?
Be, masidlan na yung baba.
Parehagi ka na ako gapon.
Ayaw ka itong kanta karos?
Huy, Chada, maligo ba? Kita ra, no?
Gani.
Magmumuna na ita.
Di man. Ayaw. Ba, sige. Di man good flowing ba?
Oh, di man flowing.
What's up?
Si Manang.
Thank you. Ipakita ni mo kung naong.
Hello.
Take over.
Say hello.
Yes.
Like this, Fiona. Ano to?
Okay, go Fee. Wow. Is it far or?
Is it Phoenix? Mani ka to?
I went very far. So then you let go of that.
Akatang dito ta sa pikas kay ang diri no. Nagdiri ta kay diri.
Pero mas ganahan ko dari. Murag pa Chada diri.
Ako diri.
O niya, murag ang access sa water ba?
Lagi.
Kate katong gapon di na to makita silang magdudula.
Oh, dili. Kaya kay makita nato ba kung asa ang mga bata.
Oh, lawom ni diri no?
Lawom na diya sa unahan.
Di ganan ako makita ang barang.
Na may lumot po.
Oh. Pero dalam dyan sila kay.
Very good.
Have an afternoon walk.
Okay, get in. Out here. She's about to lose it on you.
Yeah, it was about to fall.
How much does that cost? Oh, that's
Hold on, Dad. I will fix her feet
Just for the board.
so that she will learn. Like that na ko. No, cause you will leave. If you wanna bend your arms, bend legs, bend your legs. You wanna bend your legs? No, I can't carry you. You're so heavy. Uy, nag-change talaga ang color ng kahoy ay. Sayo kaayo ang fall. Very early.
Saw a caterpillar with a tear stand.
Ah, pero the time fall, Jessica, all the leaves is...
It's an old-fashioned thing. Caterpillar with a tear stand. That's going south. It's going south where it's warmer in the distance.
We're in the middle of nowhere. Just walking.
They've been crawling south from this house. Go home.
Uy, tsada po dito magpiti. Wadyo tao.
Gani. Di layo po. Layo.
Alagi eh.
Look lang ang giana.
Distansya kay ba? Uy, first time yung nakaagi diri. Hi guys, we're here. We're walking another afternoon walk. So in this time of COVID-19, we find ways to motivate ourselves, not just like staying at home, sitting in a corner, waiting another pass by. So in this time of crisis, guys, we all passing through difficulties, and no one really can help us but ourselves. What we are going through emotionally, maybe we are fighting depression right now, stress and anxiety, but then us ourselves individually can push ourselves, lift up ourselves by getting up and find things to unwind and to unload all our emotions. So connect with the natures, with your family and friends. So that's what we are doing every day. We find places to have a peaceful walk with family and friends. So though this COVID-19 have a difficult effect to our lives, but then this is the way also that we can spend a lot of time with our family and friends that we never able to do because we are busy with the hustle and bustle in life. So guys, for everybody, go out, go in the nature, away from crowds, so that we can able to enjoy life despite of our crisis. So thank you for watching, and God bless, and take care everybody. Bye.
Sa ikay, pagsunod ako diri daw.